Good morning. Now, exercise 5.3, question number 1. Find sum of following APs 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. Here, A is equals to 2. Difference is equals to 7 minus 2 is equals to 5, and number of terms n is equals to 10. Find sum. What is formula of sum? Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Suppose find the term of following APs, then we use an. But here find the sum of following 10 terms. Therefore, S10 is equals to 10 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into d, that means 5 is equals to 5 into 4 plus 45, 5 into 49, 245. So, the sum of first 10 terms of given AP is 245. This question is for objective type question number 1. Here, now question number 2. Find sum of following APs. Here find sum of following APs. Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 to 12 terms of given AP. Here A is equals to minus 37. Difference is equals to minus 37 minus 33. Minus plus. Therefore, minus 33 plus 37 is equals to 4. Difference is equals to 4. And n is equals to 12 terms. Therefore, n is equals to 12. Find S12. Sum of following APs. Therefore, S12. Using formula, Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S12 is equals to 12 by 2 into 2a minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into d. Difference is equals to 4. 12 by 2, that means 6, minus 74 plus 11 into 40 into 4 is equals to 44. 6 into minus 30 is equals to minus 180. So, the sum of first 12 term of given AP is equals to minus 100. 580. 530 is 630 is minus 180. First number question, second number question, both are equal. Now question number. Find the sum of following APs 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms. These are question number 1, number 1, 2, 3. A is equals to 0.6, difference is equals to 1.7 minus 0.6 is equals to 1.1, and n is equals to 100. Using this formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, putting value n is equals to 100, a is equals to 0.6, and n is equals to 100 minus 1 into difference 1.1, sorry. Now simplification, and then answer is 5, 3, 5. So the sum of the first 100 term of the given AP is 5305. Now question number 4. Find the sum of following AP. Here fraction 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 10 up to 10 terms for the given AP. A is equals to 1 upon 50. Difference is equals to 1 upon 12, second term minus first term, 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 50. LCM taken here 60, otherwise 180, its multiplication 50 minus 12, 3 by 180 is equals to 1 upon 60. N is equals to 11. Putting in formulas the value of A and D is equals to 1 upon 60 and N is equals to 11. S11 is equals to 11 by 2 into A is equals to 1 upon 15, 2 into 1 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1 into D. D is equals to 1 upon 60. 11 by 2. Here 11 by 2 into 2 into 1 upon 15, that means 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 10 into 1 upon 60, that means 1 upon 6, 2 by 15 plus 1 upon 6 is equals to 11 by 2, 4 LCM 30, 15 2s are 30, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 5, 9 by 30, therefore 99 by 60, 33 3s are 99 and 10 3s are 20 3s are 60, 33 upon 20. Again this question. Find sum of APs 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 10, dash 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 up to 11 terms. Again A is equals to 1 upon 15, difference is equals to 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15 is equals to 1 upon 60 and N is equals to 11. Using in formula S11 is equals to 11 by 2, 2 into 1 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1 into 1 upon 15, 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 into 1 upon plus 1 upon 6. LCM is equals to 30. Now 11 by 2 into 9 by 30 is equals to 99 by, suppose otherwise you take here 3 3s are 9, 10 3s are, therefore 11 3s are 33 and 10 2s are 20, 33 upon 20. So the sum of first 11 terms of AP, given AP is equals to 33 by 20. Now number 5th. Find the given below. 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 dash 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 plus 84. Here A is equals to 7. Common difference D is equals to 21 by 2. 10 integer 1 upon 2 is equals to 10 2s are 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 7. Therefore 21 minus 7 2s are 14 upon 2. 21 minus 14 is equals to 7 by 3. Let N is equals to 84. Last term is equals to 84. Find the sum of given below. First we find here N. N is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore 84 is equals to 7 plus N minus 1 into 7 by 2. 84 is equal minus 7 is equals to 7n minus 7 upon 2, otherwise you take here opposite side 2 in multiplication and 7 into division. That means 77 into 2 divide by 7. Otherwise in this 77 into 2 is equals to 7n minus 7 n minus 1 multiplied by 7. 154 plus 7 is equals to 71 and 161 is equals to 7n. N is equals to 161 upon 7 is equals to 23. There are 23 terms in the given AP. How many terms? First we find here n. How many terms? N is equals to 23. Now using formula Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus an. An that means large term. A plus L using n is equals to 23 by 2. A that means 7 plus last term 84. 84 plus 7 91. 23 by 2 into 91 is equals to 1046 integer 1 upon 2. So the sum of 20 term of the given AP is 104600 integer 1 upon 2. In this question again find sum given below. A is equals to 7. Sum here plus plus plus, therefore sum. D is equals to 7 integer 1 upon 2 minus 10 integer 1 upon 2 minus 7 is equals to 7 by 2. 15th n term an is equals to 84. Therefore how many terms in this sequence, in this AP? Therefore n is equals to 23 terms. Now using formula Sn is equals to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. Otherwise you use this n by 2 a plus lt. Therefore 23 by 2 into 91 is equals to 1046 integer 1 upon 2. The sum of 23 terms of the given AP is 1046 integer 1 upon 2. Now 6th number. Find the sum of given below 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus up to 10. Here first term a is equals to 34. Difference is equals to 32 minus 34 is equals to minus 2. First we find here an is equals to 10. Find here n. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. 10 is equals to 34 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. 10 is equals to 34 plus 2n minus 2 multiply n minus 1 multiply by minus 2 minus 2n minus minus plus 2 ones are 2. 10 is equals to 34 minus 2n plus 2. 10 is equals to 36. 34 plus 2 36 minus 2n. 2n is equals to 26. n is equals to 13. Now find Sn. Then Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus l. L that means an last term as 13. 13 by 2 34 plus 10 is equals to 44 to divide by 22. 13 into 22 286. So the sum of first 13 term of given AP is 286.